I'm gonna go with girl.
Oh, it's your boy Bach, you already know. Let's start the day. Pop.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you. Flat tire. I got a flat tire. Yeah, Jenna in the building. We out here. My car got a flat tire. And I was like, I need to come get you so I can show you how we get to where we're going.
Oh, yeah.
You want to follow us?
Yeah.
So I'll be going really slow.
Oh, it's the tire.
Yeah, because I don't have a tire. It's like done.
See this?
Oh, wow. She's really out here, y'all.
There's only 2 types of riders. Bad. Be careful.
Yo, I got Jenna's visor. Now on eBay. Starting bid, $2,000 cash. I mean, what's up with a little bit of chocolate in your life? You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with a little chocolate in your life, you know what I mean? Y'all know Jenna, we did that video together with the bike when she was on the bike, vroom vroom. It's slippery, you good? Hey, help her. Oh, watch out.
You know that's just for show, right?
What do you mean?
It doesn't protect you.
Everything I know is a lie.
Unless you get into like a crazy accident and like you land on a pole and like the pole tries to go through you, it might save you. But like,
Yeah.
But that doesn't really know.
What do you mean that don't really happen? You just described it. I have to do this voiceover thing. It'll take like 15 minutes. It's not a long thing.
That's taking me to work day.
Nah, it's a fun experience. You ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
She's warmed up. Ride safe if you're riding. But to see Curtis?
Yeah.
That was funny. I had a feeling it was him, but the blonde threw me off.
I just need you to keep them busy while I look for the money.
Just give us some variations on it, just because if they come back to us and say, hey, do you have one does this or that? We
Oh, right.
don't have to bring you back in.
Looking for an African-American gentleman. Skin tone is sort of right in between you in the front and you in the back.
What was it like shooting that puke scene?
That was actually real puke. It was.
No.
I can puke on command. I think it's a disease.
What a talent.
Yeah. People think it's fake. If you watch the movie, you'll see like the puke, it'll change from green to clear because I started to run out of food in my...
Oh my God.
Yeah. You guys know what racist parties I had last year.
Right. Yeah. Perfect, man.
We're about to go ride and get some food, but I'll see you guys at the track when I work out, 6:30. Gang, gang.
Bye, BachVlogs.
Hey, camera.
Vlog beats Bach. That's what we're doing though. So I'm running the vlog again today, y'all. Every time I gotta run this vlog.
I can't have pink hair today. So early too.
Do I like her? She alright. If her hair was blue, I would like her more. Blue hair, I only like Smurfs.
Hey.
Yep. Hey. Hey, we call that the drop squat right there.
Take it off.
Nothing left to prove, nah. This for me though. I'm just trying to stay alive and take care of my.
I gotta do the burpees.
You gotta do the burpees. You gotta count as burpees. You count them for me, okay? Oh, girl.
All right. Here I am.
7. 8. 9. 10.
Look, this little 8-year-old girl can do push-ups better than you. I don't know why I train her.
One lap.
This is embarrassing.
No, I'm 29.
You're 16.
How you know?
Emily told me.
You're right.
Take it as a lap.
Lower legs.
You never watch Housefish on MTV too?
No.
Housefish? On MTV too. It's not on MTV.
Yeah, I seen that. Yeah. It's when they thought they seen a nice house they got there and it was just a little box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's, called, it's on MTV too.
It comes right after Catfish.
Yeah, Catfish is on MTV.
I was about to wear my red pants today.
One pair of shorts, the red ones. He wear them joints all the time. He can buy 8 houses, he can have the same pair of shorts.
What's happening? Dab on it. Dab. How much time left?
No, we starting over.
Oh, hey!
Ready?
But I just did a full workout.
No, you came late.
Because of traffic.
Nah, I don't want to hear it.
I had to stop to help the homeless. I'm watching Taylor not do it right.
Hey, shit! Mind your business! Ain't no fucking camera on me right now! Hey, shit! I have different hair.
You spitting game because the hands.
Don't you dare ask her about her
Keep
birthday.
going.
Look how smooth he is.
Hey, what's up, little homie? Nah, you try to take my girl
How was your
to a birthday party. Nah, don't ask him about his birthday. Don't you look, you trying to holler.
Hey, is this your phone?
You know what? It's my mom's phone. I gotta.
Okay.
You know what? I don't think I have it. Yeah.
I want to see.
All right, everyone together, right over here. Let's go where we have room.
You got curved.
Swerve on them, I had to swerve.
On the elbows or?
No, on your hands.
Oh, okay. 'Cause I'm about to say, let me know. I'm an elbow model.
I know. I got you.
I'm a hand model.
Crank it up.
What's up?
Hold it.
Yeah, I got it.
He's sweating.
How you gonna ask for the picture and then leave?
Why he bound?
All right, he gonna get it. Let's go, Daystorm.
Oh, you forgot me.
No, you forgot
You
yourself.
forgot yourself.
Yeah.
Pendleton.
He was like, I ain't getting in it.
All right.
A picture?
Yeah, let's do it.
Do it while you run. Take a selfie while you run. Let's go.
Yeah.
Follow my YouTube.
That's it. This your YouTube?
Yes. My name is 7 subscribers.
Yeah, and I have 7 subscribers.
And I have 20 subscribers. Ha ha.
You just said you had 8.
I have 20.
You have 20? That's good. You have more subscribers than 6 that I had at 28.
Yeah.
Tomorrow the 13th?
Yeah.
Friday the 13th.
That's,
Netflix, right?
yeah, that's a good plug you did there. Yeah, that's right. Go on Netflix right now, because today's Friday the 13th, and go check out The Babysitter on Netflix. Good plug, Emily.
I want you guys to smash that like button, 1 million likes.
It's your boy. That's the day. We did it. We were riding. We worked out. We did it. You heard what the kids said. 1 million likes. I'll see y'all soon. I love you.